Hi everyone, Leroy here from Intune Instruments Dubai, UAE. I want to bring you a couple of important quick tips regarding your bridge. Again, focusing on a Tune-o-matic style bridge or AVR bridge for Gibsons, Epiphones, and basically short scale guitars measuring around 24.75 inches in terms of scale length. The first thing is that when you take off your strings and if you notice of any play or rattling on the post of your bridge, that could be a sign that could create tuning instability issue. A quick way to resolve this is to wrap Teflon tape around this and ensure that your bridge posts are well secured. At the same time, your tailpiece should also be well secured to the bushings on the guitar. The other tip that I want to bring to you is with regards to getting clear, nice fundamental notes. Now, it's very important that your strings have a good break angle from the bridge on each of the saddles. But you got to remember that on an AVR style or Tune-o-matic style bridge, the bottom of the string shouldn't touch the bottom of the bridge. If it does, you're going to get a little bit of a twang on your string and you're going to lack that clear, nice fundamental note. A quick way to check is to press down at the string and to see if it touches the bottom. So you could try that on each of the strings. If it is, then you need to raise these posts up a bit. Now there could be a potential issue with certain Les Pauls, etc., where there's not enough headroom to maneuver this to ensure that you have clearance from the bottom of the string to the bridge. In these cases, you could perhaps use the wraparound method where the string wraps around the post and then over the saddle to have decent amount of clearance. Now there's an argument that the tailpiece should basically sit flush against the guitar body and that could help it sustain. For my trials and errors with this kind of method, I have not come across any kind of lack of sustain. But what I've come across is that if I go too low and if the bottom of the string touches the bridge, then I don't get clear fundamental notes. So here's a quick tip and hope it is useful to all of you. Thanks for watching. Bye.